Understanding, I had no idea. In English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a commonly used English phrase, I had no idea. Understanding this phrase will help you express surprise or acknowledge something you weren't aware of before. Let's dive into its meaning and usage. I had no idea is a phrase used to express surprise or sudden realization. It's often used when someone learns new information that they were completely unaware of. This phrase can also show that you are surprised by how much you didn't know about a particular subject. 2.1 Everyday Conversations. In everyday conversations, I had no idea is used to react to surprising news or facts. For example, friend, did you know that the oldest tree in the world is over 5,000 years old? You, really? I had no idea. 2.2 In professional settings. In professional settings, this phrase can be used to acknowledge a lack of knowledge about a specific topic, often followed by a request for more information. For example, colleague, our marketing strategy is based on the XYZ theory. You, I had no idea about that theory. Could you explain it more? While I had no idea is a harmless phrase in many cultures, it's important to use it appropriately. Overuse or using it in serious situations might make you seem uninformed or insensitive. It's best used in informal settings or when the surprise isn't related to serious matters. The phrase's impact is often enhanced by body language and tone. A tone of genuine surprise and a facial expression of astonishment make your statement more authentic. It's a phrase where how you say it is as important as what you're saying. I had no idea is a versatile phrase useful in various contexts, from casual chats to professional discussions. Remember, the key is in the delivery and the appropriateness of the situation. We hope this video has been enlightening and you'll feel more comfortable using I had no idea in your conversations. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.